Hi, my name is Stephanie Jones, and I'm going to show you how to navigate through my online organizational behavior course. This is the home screen, and it's the first thing that a student will see when they log into the class. The About This section part is really important to the student. It has a lot of information. It's going to walk them through where their assignments and materials can be found, which is at the Lessons tab at the top. It also guides the student to read the course syllabus, which is right here below with a link provided. My introduction explains the importance of using the course calendar and how assignments are kept up to date through the calendar. And there's a link to that down here as well. So going to the Lessons tab is going to be the first place where a student needs to go. It's also going to be the place where a student spends most of their time. As you can see, my course is divided into weeks. Within each week's folder, there is an assignment folder and a materials folder. The assignment folder contains instructions and all the materials that the student's going to need for that week as far as materials to complete their assignments. So the instructions are here in paragraph form. The assignments are here below. And then they can go back to the folder and go to the materials section, which has their PowerPoints in it, and there will also be podcasts for some of the week's materials. And then they can move back to the home page of the course, and at the bottom here in the center is the course mail, and then course announcements over to the right. These two I have put on the home screen because they're the other two tools that are going to be most used. The mail connects the students directly to the Learning Management System's email server. It's a little bit more complicated to use. I direct them to use my RSU email or my text me via my phone number in my introduction. And then course announcements, of course, are very important because that will be one of the first things they see if there's something new or something important going on. In my classes where there are several tests, I always give them a heads up a couple of weeks in advance through the course announcements about tests and what have you, and ways that they can study for those. So that's an important section for students as well. So that's basically it. There are a lot of other tools up here. The grade section, of course, that's where they can access and see what their grades are, but they can also go back into the Lessons tab to see what their grades are. Most of the students are aware of that because they've used this system, but it's also in the syllabus. So this concludes my navigation tutorial. Thanks.